Quiet water. Water before it plunges down a waterfall is as still as a mirror facing the sky.
We are going to pause it there. The bottom half of this is the same poem, but in Spanish. I'll go ahead and play that.
Agua quieta. El agua, antes de caer en catarata, es tan quieta como espejo de cara al cielo. Francisco X. Alcazón. Plunges. If something plunges into something, it falls or is thrown in that direction.
All right, this is the last of your read aloud, the last of the poems. So you are going to go on the next slide to answer the last question. Which poem, out of all of the ones that we read, made you think of something in a new way? And then you're going to explain why.